Morning, 9 o'clock, and we got the chipper in today. So Alan, that you'll remember, delivered our wood when we were building the shade house. He's got a chipper, so he's in for the day today, and we're going to clear some of the piles of wood that are blocking bits of the land for a bit of fire safety, but also because we want to make wood chip for our paths in the fruit forest. So a day of chipping, see how much we get done, and I'll show you some of the piles we've got, but we're also going to go down to the olive grove near the ruin and clear some of the wood there for fire safety, and at the same time pick out some nice bits for the other side of the balcony that I'm going to do in the shade house, and also maybe keep some that look particularly good for chopping up for burning. So see how much we get chipped today. We're Those Weirdos, a family of 7.
Nearly 3 years ago, we gave up our conventional lives to live, travel and work in our self-converted Sprinter van.
I have a chameleon.
In July 2021, with the increase in travel restrictions caused by Brexit and the pandemic, we decided to buy off-grid land in Portugal to live a more sustainable lifestyle.
Follow along with our journey as we turn our beautiful but derelict land into our very own slice of off-grid heaven. Wildlands.
So that's the pile on the path down to the nursery. So I've started raking this, so we're going to chip down here, and then on the edge here where the drop is, we're going to put some pine edging, and the path's going to go around here, and then also up here, the back of the Tarzan shower up there, and then join up to this path here. Just got Rose's tent on the left, and we're now back up on the path by the Tarzan shower. Show you the plants there, they're doing quite well. A little bit cold for the bamboos, so they've got a bit of leaf drop, but they'll be fine. And then you walk up the path here, and then we're back up to the parking area at the top. So in other news, we've got our first bit of fruit grown on the wildlands. Not very exciting, but also very, very exciting, because it's the first thing that is ripe and ready to eat, and it is one single raspberry. But it is kind of momentous to be the first bit of fruit, but you can see also there's a lot of buds and a lot of other raspberries coming on that plant. It's got more here, and then this other little plant that's got loads as well. So at the moment we've got 3 raspberries, 2 producing, and then we've got a Fatsia japonica there, which is beautiful if it survives the colder weather. They are hardy outside and will tolerate some frost, but this one's been grown inside, I think, because it's ever so thin, but it's looking good. Yeah. Curse of YouTube.
Come on.
Come on, baby, you can do it. And we're chipping. chipping at the top done. Now we've got walking camp. So it's a lovely sunny day. 2 o'clock. Going down to the olive grove in the middle, just above the ruin. Clear some of the debris there which has been left from previous owners. That's a lot of chipping and it's very noisy. Been chipping all day. Really beautiful down here. Much nicer when it's not so noisy. So there we go, day's chipping. This is pretty cleared. Some pine needles there, load of kindling which we're going to keep, stuff that's for chopping up for the fire, and wet stuff that couldn't go in, but there's actually quite a lot of wood chip here which we're going to wheelbarrow up. Quite deep, it goes all the way down. So off-grid chipping. You see that Alan's pickup before, that's epic that is. Juan's barking at Alan. You tell him, Juan. Job done.